I'm going to show you how to make jambalaya in a crock pot. Hey everyone, it's Zip Dude here, sharing with you another quick and easy recipe. 11 simple ingredients get you a delicious meal. This is a great thing to make if you don't have a lot of time. In addition to a crock pot, we need a pound of shrimp, a pound of sausage, an onion, a pepper, 2 celery stalks, 4 garlic cloves, a can of diced tomatoes, 2 cups of chicken broth, 2 cups of rice, 2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of thyme, a bay leaf, and salt and pepper. We are going to prepare all of our ingredients and put it in a crock pot to cook, with the exception of the shrimp. We're going to hold off on that and add that near the end. We will take our sausage and cut it into coins and put it in the crock pot. Next, we will take our pepper, remove the seeds, and cut it up into small pieces and also add that to the crock pot. Next, we will chop up our onion and also add it to the crock pot. And the same thing with our garlic. Same thing with our celery. Next, we will take our can of diced tomatoes, open the can, drain it, and then add the contents to our crock pot. Add our broth, our rice, and now we will add our remaining spices. We will give everything a good stir, put the lid on, and we will cook it for 6 to 7 hours on low, which is what I prefer, or 3 to 4 hours on high. I didn't have a lot of time, so I used the high setting on this cook, and it seemed to dry things out a little more than I would have liked. But I think you'll have better results if you actually cook it on low for 6 to 7 hours. A half hour before the end of our cooking time, we will add our shrimp. Pour it in, give it a stir. Here's the finished product. Like I said, I cooked this one on high, and it seemed to have dried things out a little bit. Probably get a much better result on low, aesthetically, but trust me, this tastes great. I hope that this recipe was of value to you. If so, please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.